Hello viewers, here is a General Electric Whiz fan. This is model 065311. And there's a category number here as well. And that number is 236327. And then there's this other number over here which I'm not really sure what it's for. That number is, looks like N period P period 25935-B. And on the front we have the Whiz branding. I believe that logo here would have originally been green like the rest of the fan, but it's no longer. This is one of the first brass fans I had in my collection. I've had this for a very long time. Probably at least 15 years or more. And it's probably one of my favorite pieces. Partially for the nostalgia value of it from the earlier days of when I was collecting. And it's just a really classic, iconic piece. I've always liked the dark green finish that General Electric used on a lot of these earlier models. And the polished blades are nice and flashy. Bearings are in good condition still. The paint on this, I believe, is original. I have cleaned the blades and I have replaced the cord. I think the lead wire may have been replaced at some point as well, not by me. Single speed switch. Really nice switch. This is a rubber isolator that separates the top of the fan from the bottom of the fan, and the purpose of that is to reduce or eliminate any vibration that may get transferred in from the motor onto the surface on which it's sitting and create excessive noise. This is a very, very well made fan, very well designed. It's extremely quiet, it's very powerful. All in all, it's an exceptional piece of American engineering, and there is simply nothing like this anymore, anywhere, coming out of any factory. The quality and design and engineering that went into this fan, it's just the thing of the past. Which is really a shame, because here we are 100 years later, and aside from a couple of drops of oil over the years and a new cord after it frayed at the flex point where it goes into the base, it just runs. It runs and runs, and it never complains or has a problem. And appliances like that, just, you can't get them anymore. So let's go ahead and plug this thing in. Of course now the furnace is on, so you won't be able to hear it, but let's plug this thing in and see how it runs. It's nearly silent, and it is powerful. It's quite powerful. And it runs in perfect balance. The blades kind of need to be polished. They look like they're tarnished a bit. It does have oil wells on both the rear and the front bearings. And let's take a look at the power draw. There's a lot of people that claim these use a lot of power, and that's not true. Switch it on now. "49 watts. That's it." And this is a straight-to-pole motor. It's not a capacitor motor. A lot of the fans of this size today would probably draw upwards of 80 or 90 watts, and they wouldn't move as much air, they won't last as long, and they make a lot more noise.